go to this photo rally point and see how it is. This is too shiny to see if I was recording, but ah well. Oh my. Jeez. There's a ramp for you. Woo! It's like we're back in France there for a second. Trying to spook them. Let the cows cross. Oh, lovely, all this gravel, huh? Onto some real tarmac. That's exactly what we want. Oh, corner just does not stop, anyway. Hardly. I mean, it's... oh, no, it's back, don't worry. Just stop and go. Oh, there's some nice scenes. Some machine. He's blessing everyone like the fucking Pope. Hey. Didn't even know. I didn't even look up what this place is. I don't even know what the photo point is. It's this left up here. Turn around up here. That is mad. Ah, we can get photos here as well. We'll turn here.
Why is it recording? Oh, I pressed the wrong button.
Man, oh man, is it hot? Man, oh man.
Is it hot?
Is it?
Yeah, let's get some ice cream and some fuel and go home. Right, let's get out of here. Right. Yeah, I'll see you soon. Right, see you.